This interactive prediction tool predicts pore-type group based on porosity-permeability relationships. Pore-type group is predicted from measured porosity and permeability by calculating the sample's deviation from empirical global porosity-permeability trend lines for different pore-type groups. Input areas are marked by yellow background. Pore-type group is predicted by dragging the porosity and permeability sliders. More accurate control on the porosity input can be achieved by entering a value in the cell to the right of the slider, or by using the up-down arrows. The results are presented in a green box to the left. Two possible pore-type groups are predicted based on lithology. In other words, you need to know whether you are dealing with limestones or dolomites. The predicted pore-type group have a color-coded background which denotes prediction reliability and proximity to pore-type group boundaries. The different pore-type groups and their associated pore types are given in the table to the right. By hovering the cursor over the black pore types box in the top of the screen, an explanation of the pore types is given. The predictions are only intended for use in situations where thin section and cores are inaccessible, and the uncertainty in the prediction is high. However, the results may still be useful in reservoir quality evaluation, especially when applied with other tools in CARP. The prediction tool can only handle one input sample at a time. Multi-data entry is available from the right yellow frame. We first select the multi-data entry's radio button. A new radio button selector appears with the choice of demo or licensed. The demo version has no functionality, but is available with the standard subscription. In the licensed full version, licensed companies have access to their own private tool. This preserves data security. The licensed version requires a premium subscription. Let's take a look at the licensed version. A valid licensed company name has to be entered into the text box. We then press the Go button. The multi-data entry tool opens in a new tab in your web browser. The first worksheet gives some introductory instructions. The prediction tools follows in the next worksheet. Input data cells have a yellow background color, whereas the final predicted pore-type groups are predicted in cells with green background. Only yellow cells can be edited, all other cells are locked. We first enter or paste in porosities and permeabilities into columns A and B. The predicted pore-type groups for limestones and dolomites are given in columns C and D respectively. Geological knowledge should be applied in selecting lithology and associated pore-type group. A color-coded prediction quality index is given in column E. And here we see the color legend. Be aware that calculations may take a while, so please be patient.